Hey guys, it's Scotty in the house, day 26. I'm feeling stronger every day. It's great. I love it. Listen, this is from a show called Jacques Brel is Alive and Well and Living in Paris. It was sung by Ellie Stone. I probably saw the show about 50 times when I was 15, 16 years old. I'll never forget it. I sang it at the club car in Nantucket Island 40 years ago for Black Russians. Get that. I love it. So anyway, hope you like it. Sons of the thief, sons of the saint, who is the child with no complaint? Sons of the great or sons unknown, all were children like your own. The same sweet smiles, the same sad tears, the cries at night, the nightmare fears. Sons of the great or sons unknown, all were children like your own. So long ago, long, long ago. But sons of tycoons, sons of the farms, all of the children ran from your arms. Through fields of gold, through fields of ruin, all of the children vanished too soon. Through towering waves, among walls of flesh, among dying birds, trembling with death. Sons of tycoons or sons of the farms, all of the children ran from your arms. So long ago, long, long ago. But sons of the sons, sons passing by, children we lost in lullabies. Sons of true love and sons of regret, all of the sons you cannot forget. Some built the roads, some wrote the poems, some went to war, some never came home. Sons of the sons or sons passing by, children we lost in lullabies. So long ago, long, long ago. But sons of the thief, sons of the saint, who is the child with no complaint? Sons of the great or sons unknown, all were children like your own. The same sweet smiles, the same sad tears, the cries at night, and the nightmare fears. Sons of the great or sons unknown, all were children like your own, like your own, like your own. That's what I'm talking about.